Type 1 Diabetes Basics by Justin Bailey and Michael Phillips. What is it? Type 1 diabetes is when the beta cells in the pancreas get attacked by the body's own immune system. This attack on the beta cells of the pancreas causes the beta cells to eventually all die, which means they are no longer there to allow the glucose to enter the body cells. How is type 1 diabetes different than type 2? Both are diseases affecting the pancreas and the beta cells. Type 1 diabetes or juvenile diabetic onset is the autoimmune process we just talked about. The person is completely dependent on insulin for their body to receive glucose. Type 2 diabetes generally is an effect of a person's inactive lifestyle and eating habits. The pancreas wears down over time and the beta cells are present but don't function as well. These diabetics are able to increase beta cell function with diet and exercise. They can also be prescribed medication to promote better beta cell function.
Age onset. Type 1 diabetes from previous studies occurs from babies to around the age of 45, at any time and with any gender.
Symptoms of diabetes: extreme thirst, frequent urination, drowsiness or lethargy, sugar in urine, sudden vision changes, decreased appetite, sudden weight loss, etc.
Is it inherited? Type 1 diabetes often runs in families. Research has found nearly 20 different genes that could cause diabetes. The two central genes are HLA region and the insulin gene.
Is it dominant or recessive? Diabetes is neither dominant nor recessive. Instead, someone may have a gene that increases the risk to get diabetes and another decreases the risk.
How frequent does it occur? Type 1 diabetes accounts for 5% of all diabetic cases worldwide. About 25.8 million people in the U.S. have diabetes. This is approximately 8.3% of our whole population.
Prognosis: diabetes is fairly easy to control. With proper medical attention, a person can avoid long-term complications and live an average lifespan. Long-term unmonitored complications like disorders of the eye, kidney, circulation system, and nerve fibers are common. If not treated, can result in death. Treatment: in order for diabetics to control their disease, they have to regulate their blood sugar themselves. To do this, they check their blood glucose level often and admit insulin as needed to lower the sugar and when to keep it between 80 and 100.
To conclude, now that you know about diabetes, also what diabetics do every day to survive without a pancreas, how they have to induce insulin, and how they regulate their blood sugar, so if you know someone with diabetes, maybe you could help them. Good for you, this month is November, Diabetes Awareness Month.